Hi children, welcome back to the lesson The Moon. In the previous session we discussed what is moon and what are the craters that are present on the moon, right? And even movement of the moon also we discussed. Now in this session we are going to learn how the moon rotates around the earth and how do it look like when it is rotating. When you look at the picture here, the earth is in the center and the sunlight is coming from the left side so that it is noon, and the other part of the earth it do not receive the light because that side is the shadow, so it is midnight. And as well as sunrise and sunset they given, and around the earth the moon is rotating here. And when the moon is rotating we could able to see the different phases of the moon. New moon, right? New moon day and full moon day. In the left side they given new moon day, in the right side they given full moon day. You have to compare the central circle along with the surrounding one, right? So when you look at this you are going to get a clear idea about how do we get different phases of the moon. Sometimes moon will be appear small crescent like appearance, and it becomes half moon, right? And later it become full moon. How do it takes place, how do it changes the shape? It is very interesting to us to know how, where the remaining place is disappearing from the moon, and why it is appearing full on the full moon day, why not in the remaining time, right? So when you look at this you are going to get a clear idea. Now see, the sun is in the left, in the yellow color. The new moon day, when new moon day comes we unable to see the moon. Why? Because here the moon is facing towards the sun, like earth. One side is the noon and another side is the midnight. So when it is midnight we unable to see actually. I have made a practical work on this. Next I will show you how do I made it, and you could easily understand the concept. But first of all you should see this, what is going on in this figure. By looking at this figure you will get a clear idea how do the moon rotates around it, and practically when I show you it is easy to understand. So let us see practically how we get new moon, full moon, even eclipse also we'll discuss. Okay, now get ready. Okay children, this is new moon day where the sun is facing towards that, and the moon is appearing dark, and now moon starts rotating around the earth. So this is the earth. So see how the moon slowly comes. See, moon is coming. See, this is half moon, right? हाफ मून देखने के लिए मिल रहे, ये अर्थ और हाफ मून आ गया। और देखो ये पूरा हाफ मून है। जब वो अर्थ से रोटेट होगा, अगर आप यहाँ खड़ा हुआ तो देखो पूरा चांद दिखेगा आपको. This is called full moon day. And again when it rotates, it slowly disappears. See, disappearing. And again new moon day. This is new moon. And again when it rotates, it is full moon. And when it rotates, slowly it is disappearing. So like this, around the earth the moon rotates, and we will get new moon day, full moon day, half moon day. So now it is no moon day, and slowly it is half moon day, and it is full moon day, right? Now when it rotates, it's again new moon day. Like this, the what you call this moon rotates around the earth. Have seen revolution and rotation, like this, right? Now I am going to show you eclipse. So here it is the sun, the bright color one is the sun, and the middle one is moon. So when moon comes in between sun and the earth, then you unable to see the moon, you unable to see the sun, isn't it? You unable to see the sun. So whatever the shadow here you observed on the earth, those people they unable to see the sun, because the moon is coming at the center of the sun and as well as earth. So this type of eclipse is called as solar eclipse. Why? Because here we unable to see the sun. Have you understood? For example, the moon while rotating, sometimes it comes exactly opposite, exactly in the midline. So here moon, sun is actually sun, moon, earth, three of them they are in a line, so that the people, the shadow place, wherever the shadow that is forming, the people from there they are unable to see the sun. So it is called solar eclipse. Have you understood? And when it moves slowly, then we could able to see the sun. Let us see from here, from this shadow, how it appears. See here we can able to see only moon, not the sun. And when eclipse moves, see we are going to get the sun back again, like this, right? So here it is solar eclipse. We unable to see the sun, whereas in lunar eclipse, wait a second. Okay, in lunar eclipse the moon moves like this, and the moon equally at the same plane, same axis, it go behind the behind the earth. Now see, earth is in the center. Now the people actually it is full moon day, isn't it? Actually it is full moon day, but here when it is in the line, in the same line, then even in the full moon day we unable to see the moon. So when we unable to see the moon, it is called lunar eclipse. Actually when it comes here, the people who are living at the shadow region, they unable to see the sun, because it is coming across the sun. Whereas in lunar eclipse it go behind the earth, so moon will be not seen. It is called lunar eclipse. It is solar eclipse, we are unable to see the sun, and it is lunar eclipse. What is the difference? When the moon is in the center, when the moon is in between sun and earth, then we are unable to see the sun, and it is called solar eclipse. And when moon comes at the end, means when earth is in the center, then we are unable to see the moon even in the full moon day. Lunar eclipse occur in full moon day, so like this we are unable to see the moon. Even in the full moon day we are unable to see the moon. So these are the phases. See how the phases slowly changing, and after that again slowly it is appearing. See slowly it is appearing, and full moon, right? Like this we can get lunar eclipse. This is lunar, sun, moon, earth. It is solar, it is solar, sun, moon, earth, and it is lunar, sun, earth, moon, right? Here when it is in the center, when it is solar eclipse, moon will be in the center. In the lunar eclipse, the earth will be in the center. So I hope you understood this concept, right? Okay.